In this short video, we're going through more about the setup for your new website using the Contractor OS page builder. Now, first of all, I wanted to go back to the dashboard into your back office. We clicked on this to edit your website, but I wanted to stress the importance of finishing up your software setup information and also your website info. These questionnaires need to be filled out. We need this so we can, get your website provisioned, get it all put together, and be able to launch this for you. Your company name, information, email, slogan you might have for your company, the address, and of course the zip codes, cities, and company info, any additional website links that you might have, if you have a primary website or current one, and any blogs that you might have. This is great stuff we can use, to backlink to your main site, and also any cities if you have different locations. Upload any logos if you have one currently, and your social media. Very important to make sure we get your social links in there as well, and professionalism with the Better Business Bureau, and any license information. As you go through here, you'll see it'll save your progress. It's going to go through, it's going to show you the information as you go through with a basic setup all the way through to finalizing your website questionnaire. Again, the software, if you haven't filled these out yet, make sure you do that as quick as you can before you do anything else. Very important to get these done. Now we're going to go through the site, and I'm going to click through these pages and give you a preview of what we have here. Now, in the last video, we went ahead and made a quick change to a phone number. Now I'm going to go through the pages again one more time. You've got the company information where you can make changes here, the services, the free estimate form again, where it's linked directly to your software, the contact us, which is important. One thing I want to talk about right here while we're here on this page, and I'm going to edit this one first. This is important to get your Google Places. If you haven't set up a Google Places account, go into Google and type in Google Places. You can do a search under Google or Yahoo and click on Google Places. This is important. You got to get your business onto Google because this will get you a lot of free traffic. Your business is all connected inside here, and this is important. It's got Google Maps, Google Plus. Set up your Google account. You probably already have, but I just want to make sure that you've done that. You're going to get a text message from Google that tells you we've got you set up, and very important to get your page listed with these guys. Now again, let's get started, and we're going to go right into this setup, and you'll see where you can make changes. This is so simple. This page builder from that we have for you is so easy to use. If you want to make any of the changes in here, it can be, 78 Boulevard. You can have your city, your state, change the phone number. You can make any changes here. You can make that a capital T if you like that, or an F. And you can also make different sizes. If you want to make this a little bigger, you can go up to like 18. You can make this one up to 19 or whatever size, whatever you like. You can certainly customize it the way you want. Be careful because while you're making different changes, keep an eye on it, move the box over, and you can see how that has really added some different size to it, and it's great. You can also add different colors if you want to make text color, if you want to make it go to blue or black or anything. But the way you want to do is try to keep it with the color of the website, but just let you know you can make changes. If you want your company slogan, your name to be a little bigger, you can do that as well. You can make it H3, H2, or you can make any of the changes you want. If you want to make any changes to this, make sure you save it. And this is an H3. You can H2 if you want to make it bigger, H3, and hit save. And to any of the changes in here, you click done and publish changes. This will automatically make changes to your website. Now again, the Contractor OS page builder, open that up again anytime you want to make another change. Now in here, we actually set up a form. So whatever you have for a website, email address, that's what you want to have that sent to. So we have, again, I'm going to move this over so you can see. The name field, you can show that or hide that. You can see that it will take it away. but of course you want to show the name. So you can customize this a lot. There's a lot of features in here that are available, but you know, you probably never use those, but I just wanted to go through and show that to you. Subject field, if you get any subject, and again, save and make any changes. So, you know, all that stuff's available, so you can change where the emails come from, and we'll publish changes. If you want to change the headline, let's say you want to go to the image. Now, we've got the address here. Let's go ahead and click on the tools as well. This will be the city, whatever your city is. Right now, we just have that in there. So if you wanted to put in, you know, this one here, 877 Winchester Boulevard, you can type out the whole address, and it will zoom right into that address. But for right now, we just basically, as a text, you know, we go, let's see, 878 Winchester. Let me hit cancel on that. I'm just going to go over here and grab this text. So if you wanted to go take that whole, hit cancel. Let's go ahead and open that again and put that all in there. So you can see we'll hit save. It will drill right down to that, if that was a real address. That was just one of our fictitious addresses. So we're gonna discard changes. You can have a discard change if you hit done. It'll discard. It'll ask, do you want to not make those changes? And you say yes. And it will automatically bring it right back to where it was. So that's great. That's how you make changes to the Contact Us form. You know, inside here, there's going to be a lot of functionality, very easy to use. I mean, the services, they're really, we're going to go into the next one. I'm going to show you how to do a few on the services. Anyway, this is Dave, and I'll see you in the next video.